Hello, welcome to the next video of digital electronic series. Now we will learn octal to hexadecimal conversion. This is our octal number. First we will convert the octal number, each digit of octal number into the binary number. As we know, to write each digit of octal number, we write the binary digits of in a group of 3 bits. So 7 is this and this 5 is 101 and so on. Now we will write them together. We will write this line together and then we will make the group of 4 bits to write the hexadecimal number. We will move from this side to this side before decimal and after decimal from this side to this side. Our first group is this and the second group is this. Now here in this side, this is first group and this is second group. Now we can see here this one is left alone and here also this one is left alone. We will add zeros before this number to make it 4 and here also we will add at the end 3 zeros to make it a group of 4. Now we will write their values. This is 1 and this is equals to E and this is equals to also E. This is equals to C, this is 1 and this is equals to 8. Now we will write them together. So the number is 1EE.C18. This is our hexadecimal number for the octal, for this octal number. Now we will learn hexadecimal to octal conversion. First we will write the binary number for each octal number. So for B it is 1011, for 9 it is 1001 and for F it is this, for A it is this and for E it is this number. These are the binary numbers. Then we will write them together and makes group of 3 now. This is our first group, this is our second group and this is third one and this is fourth one. Here also this is first group, second group and this is our third group. We can see here is not complete, so we will add here 1 0. Now for each group of 3 bits we will write their octal equivalent. We can see this is 101, this is equals to 5 and this 110 is equals to 6 and this is for 3 and this value is for 7 and this is for 5 and this is for 3 and this is also for 4. So now we will write it together. So this is our octal number against this hexadecimal number. So this is all for this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.